Hello friends! Is your car having electrical issues or does it refuse to start properly? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0619, it means there's a problem with the fuel pump control module communication circuit. This issue can cause hard starts, engine stalling, and inconsistent fuel delivery. In this video I'll explain what P0619 means, its symptoms, the exact sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0619 code stands for Fuel Pump Control Module Communication Circuit Malfunction. This means the powertrain control module is unable to properly communicate with the fuel pump control module. If this happens, your fuel pump may not function correctly, leading to starting and drivability issues. Common symptoms of P0619. Check engine light is on difficulty. Starting the engine stalling or rough idling. Fuel pump not engaging properly. Loss of power while driving. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0619, check these key components. Fuel pump control module location, typically under the rear seat, in the trunk area, or mounted near the fuel tank. Function, controls the power supply and operation of the fuel pump. Powertrain control module location, near the firewall in the engine bay, or under the dashboard. Function, communicates with the FPCM to regulate fuel pressure and pump operation. Fuel pump relay and fuse location, in the fuse box under the hood or inside the cabin. Function, controls the electrical power supply to the fuel pump. Fuel pressure sensor. Location, on the fuel rail or near the fuel tank. Function, measures fuel pressure and sends data to the PCM and FPCM. FPCM wiring and connectors location, runs between the PCM and the FPCM. Function, transmits signals between these modules for proper fuel control. Tip: if the FPCM loses communication with the PCM, the engine may not receive the correct amount of fuel, leading to stalling or failure to start. Common causes of P0619. Faulty fuel pump control module. A damaged module will fail to communicate with the PCM. Bad PCM. If the PCM fails, it can't send or receive signals from the FPCM. Corroded or damaged wiring. Breaks, cuts, or corrosion in the wiring harness can interrupt signals. Blown fuse in the fuel pump circuit. A loss of power to the FPCM will trigger P0619. Software issue in PCM or FPCM, corrupt firmware may require reprogramming. Faulty fuel pump relay. If the relay isn't functioning, the pump won't receive power. CAN bus communication failure. A short or open circuit in the controller area network may cause issues. How to fix P0619. How to fix P0619. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm the P0619 code and check for additional trouble codes. Step 2. Inspect the FPCM wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Step 3. Check the fuel pump relay and fuse. Replace any blown fuses or faulty relays. Step 4. Test the fuel pressure sensor. Use a multimeter to verify correct voltage readings. Step 5. Check the CAN bus wiring. If there's a break in the communication circuit, repair the wiring. Step 6. Reset the PCM and FPCM. Sometimes, a hard reset or software update can restore communication. Step 7. Replace the FPCM or PCM if necessary. If all else fails, replacing the faulty module may be the only solution. Ignoring P0619 can lead to fuel delivery issues, poor performance, and unexpected engine stalls. Fixing this issue ensures reliable engine operation and prevents breakdowns. For more troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0492, secondary air injection system insufficient flow. Bank 1 P0493. Fan speed sensor circuit high input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.